Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now before I get started, I just want to thank you guys so much for helping me make it to 1,000 subscribers. Your support means so much to me and I can't do this without you guys. So thank you. And so I want to give back the love by giving you guys this video. I know that you guys have been loving my haul videos, and so today I'm going to be doing another haul. I'm going to be doing a Zara haul video just for you guys. Thank you guys so much for helping me get here. I'm over the moon. I'm so happy, and I'm really excited for the other things that I have in store for you guys. So tune in for those, and I'm just gonna get started. So before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in all the YouTube things. So go ahead and hit that like button if you like these types of videos, and also it helps with the algorithm. Also, subscribe. And you can follow me on my Instagram, where I post lots of fun things, updates, and outfit inspirations. So you can go on over there and we'll get started. All right, first thing I got is, actually, you know what, in this haul, I decided to invest a little bit more on things that I normally wouldn't get per se, but I really wanted to explore so that you can see what other items are out there. And so yeah, leave me down in the comments down below what you guys think of these pieces so I can show you guys more of the things that you guys want to see as well. All right, first thing I got are these pair of jeans, which I love mom jeans, but the color of this one is really good. Now, I did get a size 2 in this, and I would say it fits well aesthetically, but in terms of comfortability, if I did the any sit test, if you guys don't know what the any sit test is, it's my test on how comfortable I am sitting in a pair of jeans and what kinds of different positions I guess you can sit in those jeans. If you can sit however you want, it passes the any test, the any sit test. This doesn't really pass that test because it's a little bit tight for me on the hip area. Now, it could be a sizing thing. I did get it in a size 2, but it fit my waist really well. It does fit the bum well, but it just, when you sit, you can't really cross your legs, or you can, but you can feel the pants. So I like the fit. It's just that it's not really comfortable for me to sit in. Anyway, what called my attention was mainly the color, but I think I can still work with this. I don't expect jeans to be super comfortable, but I do wish it was a little bit stretchier. All right, so next thing I got are this pair of pants. My English. I really like these pants because of the shape. Now, I've had my eye on getting this kind of pants because I really like how the shape is, and I really like that you can take it really business casual and you can take it to a more professional environment. And it looks really comfortable, and the color I'm loving. However, I did suspect that if I was gonna get something like this, that it's very likely it would be extremely long, which was the case for me. As you can see here, it's really long, and I'm 5'2.5". So I knew what I was getting into, but it's nothing that tailoring can't fix. But I do wish there was, you know, like a way where you can purchase something based more on the length. Like, I know they have something for people who are taller, but I wish there was something for people who are shorter when it comes to length. But anyway, it's something that you should just keep in mind when you're buying pants like these. If you are on the shorter side like me, it's likely to run long. But fit-wise, it's great. I love how it is on the waist. I love how it fits on the hips, and I really like the way it sits on the foot. next thing I got is this pair of shorts, which I've been going back and forth with a lot because I was like, oh, I really like the shape, but I don't know about the color. I do tend to stray away from brighter colors. I know pinks and blues and greens and oranges are really in right now. They're the trend, but I went with the green since out of all of those other colors, it seemed the more safer, or the safer color. But I don't regret it, actually. I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do with a pair of shorts of this color, but I think that there's a lot that you can do, especially if you have a lot of neutral tops or anything like that, because it is a basic shape and a basic fit. You can definitely work with it. And the color isn't too bold, wherein it's hard to pair it with other things. So I really like it. I don't regret it, and it's really soft. All right, next thing I got is the shirt. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone because of all the frills. Is that what it's called? Frills, but as you guys can see, it's knit, and I'm loving knit right now. But I didn't know how it was gonna really look on me, and it is out of my comfort zone, but I'm kind of liking it. It's growing on me. I can see different bottoms with this, and it's just easy to wear. It's stretchy as well, which is perfect because it will sit on your body the way that you want it to without, you know, without it feeling tight, and I really like that. So I have no complaints about it. I liked how it looked. I think I have to experiment a little bit more on what else I can wear with this. All right, this next piece I actually got in the Zara sale, and I really, really love it. So I was thinking, since we're probably all going back into work mode, whether it's in the office or at home, or if you just need a blazer for any professional setting, or you just want to look like a boss, then a blazer is the way to do it. And I'm a big fan of blazers, but I really like this particular one because of the texture. So I'm experimenting a little bit more on different textures. Most of my blazers are just solid colors, or I've experimented with patterns, but I haven't really experimented on material until more recently. And I really like this because, yeah, the texture is what makes it more interesting. And I really like the gold buttons as well. And I like that it's colorless. So with these types of blazers, you can really do a lot in terms of layering. And I like that it's a little bit longer. So really you can play around with it, and you can, I think it's definitely something that you can wear in different seasons as well. So I caught this one on a sale. I feel really accomplished. So last but not least, okay, before I show you guys, I have to say that I've never purchased any pair of shoes from Zara until now. Although I have a lot on my wish list, I got these ones, and I really like them because of the pointy toe. At the same time, it is flat. So I like that, especially if you have a back problem like me. You do have to think about shoe wear. So this is really great. I really like the braided style right here at the top. I think it makes it super interesting. It makes something that's basic, like this nude colored shoe, it just makes it super interesting. And what I like about it is there's a part here. It's really soft. So I was afraid that if I was gonna get it, it's my flat foot, so I'm flat-footed, my flat foot is just gonna sit on it and I'm gonna feel everything on the ground. But with these cushions, there's like a built-in cushion in it. I really like it, so I think it makes it easier to walk in, and it's a slingback, so you definitely have more support than a mule, for example. So I tend to stay away from those. But with this one, I do have a good enough support to know that this shoe is gonna walk with me and I'm not gonna put too much weight on the front part of my feet. So I'm really loving these right now, and you can just pair them with so many different things. All right, so that was everything that I got. I hope that you guys liked it, and again, I just want to thank you guys so much for helping me get here. Now in the future, I will be sharing some more hauls and sharing some more outfit ideas, because I know how easy it is to purchase something, but how hard it is to actually make something with it. So stay tuned for my future videos. I will be tackling more of those, and I'll see you guys on the next one.